Surprise is how children learn about the world. But for younger kids, it sure doesn't come from these little screens.
Hello, Qobo is coming. How's it going?
This is Qobo, a smart snail bot designed for 3 to 8-year-olds to learn coding. It's so smart and so full of surprises. These are Qobo's magical coding cards. Each one represents an action. There are 30 of them, and they are so creative that coding is made as easy as playing puzzles. Now, all you have to do is to put Qobo on them.
Game mode. Let's go.
Qobo can read the puzzles and act to their commands. Walk, flash, and sing. There's no need for a screen to look at the whole time. Want something harder? Qobo has a full playbook that shows the way. Get surprised by the carefully designed instructions and take on a robotic journey.
Hey,
Qobo is friendly and knows intimacy.
apple.
Guess what? You can put major building blocks on Qobo and level up the creativity. Qobo is also a doorway to computer coding. Its desktop app provides graphical coding abilities. Drag and drop? It's the same as playing puzzle cards. To keep the surprises going, we designed the Qobo's puzzles with many topics. The basics, animals, music, and even maths. It's growing all the time. In the age of smart technologies, we need smarter toys. Get Qobo and step into the future.